everybody, I'm Dick Holloway, and I'll be doing the play-by-play for tonight's big game, your roller superstars in action, your roller game of the week, with the world-famous world champion Los Angeles Thunderbirds and the tough Detroit Devils, who are here at beautiful Madison Square Garden here in New York. With
She gets by Solis. Over the rail goes little Paula Wilson. 10 seconds remaining. Skinny Minnie picking up one by one, but she's only got 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. She scores! Oh, me oh my! Skinny Minnie, Quinn Miller in the nick of time picks up 5. Thunderbird points. Oh, me oh my!
The Devils try to pull away, but you're not going to pull away at Quinn Miller if she's at her best. And right now you're seeing what Quinn Miller can do. 70-66. T-Birds. That's the end of the period. We'll be honest about it, Dick. He is not in the best of shape.
Well, with the score 75-70, somebody better get out there in a hurry and pick up some points. The number 23 up in front is the big man, Leroy Bad Boy Gonzalez, and behind him, Mike Flanagan. The two of them don't take up a whole lot of space. That's one thing you can say for the big man. Big Chief John Parker, he covers 20 yards on that bank track. Oh, me oh my, here he comes, number 23, Leroy Bad Boy Gonzalez. 5-point lead for the Thunderbirds. 6:35 on the clock. Time ticking away in disfavor right now of the Devils. The Devils trying to pick up some points and do something about it. But Danny Riley back on defense. What's the big man going to do? The Carrot Top, the redhead from Anaheim, California, the home of Disneyland. LA's home. Danny Riley, and he's complaining, I need some help. And look at Gonzalez. He grabs the mouth and the eyes. Look at it. Just pulls on everybody's mouth when he gets the chance. Sends him down. He smacks him in the face. And the referee after him. He stops the leading man out in front, yelling to blow the whistle, to stop that jam, and Leroy Gonzalez continues to run roughshod. Pulls him by the hair, pulls the man down in the infield. And the referee after him now. Oh, yeah. And Riley wants a piece of the action. He wants a piece of him, Harry.
Danny Riley is hot. He has the right to be. He's after the bad boy, Leroy Gonzalez, and there's only one way to contain him. John Hall holding Danny Riley back, and that's a good move by John. He doesn't want his skater off the ice, too. Shoot the ice at ice. That reminds me of... I don't know what John wants. He has the right to complain, but let the officials call the game, Dick.
I can't believe this is a very low-scoring game. I thought it would be possibly a heavy defense, low-scoring, but it's been a lot more than I really thought would be the
Look who has the helmet for the T-Birds, Dick, for Ralph B. Valadares.
Look at him fire with 11,000. He's over 11,000 points. Ralph B. Valadares is still trying to skater. Look out! Here he comes, Ralph B. Valadares. So me oh my! Only 28 seconds to go in the jam time here. All the time remaining in the period. The time on the clock. 23 seconds to go. Go! 20 seconds remaining. The Thunderbirds are all up on their feet. Jeremy Seabod over the rail, high and wide goes Sola McNair off the track. He's got 10 seconds to go. And Ralphie would like to score the little man up in front of Leroy Gonzalez. Come on. There's 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And oh, what now? What's he going to do with it here? To the rail, off the track, and out he goes. Leroy Bad Boy Gonzalez. And Ralphie Valadares picks up how many points are on that last jam? Wait a minute. They said no score.
That's the end of the period, Dick.
This is former roller game skater and broadcaster Ted Maroff. This Roller Games broadcast is brought to you by the new book Rolling Thunder, the golden age of roller derby and the rise and fall of the LA T-Birds. Holy cow, enjoy the skating action.
Talk about confidence. This Devil team is showing it right now. The people that are back there watching this game. Their friends, fans all across the country and throughout the world, the fans of the Thunderbirds are watching the Thunderbirds going to be able to pull this one out. Down by 3, that's not a heck of a lot, but the way this game is going really makes me wonder. To all my friends at Woodland Hills, Skinny Minnie Miller, she'd like to bop her down for you right now. We're going to find out. Boom! Down the gal goes. Come on, Skinny Minnie. Oh, forceful shot. The gal, the little gal, can really park it to you. Oh, beautiful hip check as she sends her down. One time, Harry, you can tell them about this gal. Quite a lot of athletic ability. We'll get to that in a moment. And look at this Gwen Miller. She's carrying them up side by side with 220. All of a sudden, Gwen Miller has come to life. All of a sudden, she has come to life with a ram head. Oh, ho, ho, ho! Oh,
That's the strategy that I was thinking of just previously when I mentioned that Gwen wasn't jamming that much. When
Debbie Helder goes down and Skinny Minnie wipes out the pack, leaps high in the air. What athletic ability! She belts him out of there with 1:10 remaining on the clock, and Debbie Helder scores, and she's happy. And Skinny Minnie Miller does it again. Oh, me, oh, my!
game takes 35 seconds in the period.
Okay, this is what the people are waiting for. Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller picking up that jamming element with 30 seconds remaining in the skating period. The seventh. They've been sitting on the edge of their seat waiting for her to do it. The score 85-85. One more skating period, and here comes Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller. Leapfrogs over the top of Snippy. 18 seconds to go. The high part of the track. Darts back down to the inside. Will she go up in between? Yes. Darts by one. Gets by Fowler. Gets by Solis. She wants more. 9 seconds to go, and Skinny Minnie Miller picks up some more. She's getting them all. She's going wide with 4, 3, 2, 1. And underneath Snippy. She scores. Defense and Parker in the back of the track. He's trying to do it all, and John Parker, maybe, Harry, maybe just has been saving himself and serving his energy as a big man. She is going wild out there. She's ready for some jelly beans. That's for sure. Oh, me, oh, my.
We've had the matchups a couple of times, Dick, of Gonzalez, and Leroy has come out on top so far. Let's see what happens here.
Leroy Gonzalez way out in front, and behind him, young Adam Gonzalez, a veteran against a rookie. It happens so often. The young rookie thinks he can take care of the veteran. And the veteran 9 times out of 10 comes out on top. But the Whiz Kids, the Thunderbird Whiz Kids, once in a while can dart through that pack. And not this time, as Adam Gonzalez gets belted hard in the back of the pack for the big man, Ted Mark, who's been everywhere here tonight. He takes care of Danny Riley, double block coming up by Ralphie Valadares and Fred Ventura. Nope, it's Riley in. He goes down. It was Flanagan and Valadares. In the meantime, look at this man shoot through. Leroy Gonzalez, the madman, picking up 5.
Leading the way for the Devils, trying to get them back in the game. They only trail by 6 with 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining to go in this final period.
It looks like one thing for sure. The Thunderbirds are going to break that century mark before the Devils here. They're only 4 down. 96-90 is Crazy Bren out in front. Right side by side with Minnesota McNair. He goes down. Likewise, Skinny Minnie Miller and Paula Wilson went down. These two are back in the whip now. Both of them go down. One to the railing and Ventura back up in a hurry. He's in front. Slows down a bit. He turns around. He wants to pop and take care of Sola McNair. 96-90 to score. 6:38 to go. Ventura wants to pick up points. He's got George Adams up in front. Leapfrogs over the top of the two. Crash into each other. Oh, me oh my. Unbelievable. These two are wild out there. And now it's Ted Maroff. He's the man of the hour. He's the man that sends him into the infield. And Brent Ventura wheeling the deal and picked up only a singleton. One singleton point, but they're up to 97.
Well, Dick, when you're in the lead, 1 point is fine. He also ran a minute off the clock. 97 T-Birds, 90 Devils. That's crazy.
Fleming a little late chase for the man up in front, the man of the hour. Riley's starting to wheel and deal. He's got the spinneroo going on now. Look at Riley, the windmill caper going on. Watch takes his shot at him. Georgie Adams behind
In this game, and John Parker, big John Parker, the chief, has come to life. He has done the job defensively here in this critical last period.
It's got to be defense. It's got to be defense. 35 seconds to go. 199 to score. Ralphie Valadares, if he can get rid of the jammer, then he can take care of this game. If Georgie Adams sneaks on through, they're in trouble with Thunderbirds. 22 seconds to go. The man up in front is Riley. He has to stop George Adams. Defense has to rule supreme now. 18 seconds to go. Riley blocking out of George Adams. Ralphie trying to get through and get by Ted Maroff. 10 seconds to go. Both of them. Riley blocking on Georgie. Here comes Ralphie. Ralphie sneaks on through. He scores! He scores! And the Thunderbirds with 3 seconds remaining. Come on through. And Ralphie Valadares picks up 1 point. And the Thunderbirds win this game here at Coastwood. A defensive struggle by 2. 101-99. The Thunderbirds win this game here in the final seconds. 101-99. Harry.
Hey, this is former LA T-Bird and Detroit Devil skater Larry Lewis. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll be informed whenever a new roller derby video is uploaded. Thanks for your support.